Method 1. Check the system files. System files can maintain the stability of the PC system. Here are the steps to check and repair the system files. Type the following command, and then press enter. It may take several minutes for the command operation to be completed. In the new window, type sfc/scannow and press enter to check the health condition of the system files. You will receive a message. This differs from different PC conditions. You can learn more from this official page. Method 2. Update driver. If the hard drive is outdated, your computer may crash. So you can try to update the hard drive. Open the device manager, click disk drives. Right-click the target drive and click update driver. Click search automatically for updated driver software. Method 3. Run Troubleshooter. The Windows Troubleshooter can check if there are any problems with your PC. Open the settings, then click System and Troubleshoot. In the new window, click Other Troubleshooters and run in turn. Method 4. Defragment the disk. In the HDD installed PC, the PC may keep crashing if there are too many file fragments. You can try defragmenting the PC hard drive. Search Defragment and Optimize Drives and press Enter. In the Optimize Drives window, choose the drive you want to defrag and click Optimize. Method 5. Repair bad sectors. Bad sectors will cause errors in Windows, so you can check and fix bad sectors. I will show you how to do this with AOME Partition Assistant Standard. It is free. If you find it useful, please download it in the description. Run the software, right-click the target drive and click Check Partition. Choose Check Partition and Fix Errors and click OK. This robust hard disk manager will test the hard disk health. If there are bad sectors on the hard disk, it will automatically repair them. Method 6. Extend the C drive. If your C drive space is almost run out and runs very slowly, it can also lead to PC crashes. With the AOME Partition Assistant Pro Edition, you can use Allocate Free Space to increase free space for it. Right-click a drive with enough free space, click Allocate Free Space. In the new window, set the allocated space and destination drive, and click OK. Click Apply to add free space to the target drive. What's more, if you are using HDD as the boot drive and considering switching to a faster SSD, you can also utilize the cloning feature of AOME Partition Assistant Pro. Simply hit the link in the description to download it, and consider upgrading to the Pro Edition according to your situation. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.